Hi, it's Michael Hamilton from Thinqe Technology Solutions with Stephen Wallace from Meetup Madness. How are you going today?
Good, sir. Very well.
Oh, good. Well, recently we talk about setting up your automated software pipelines or DevOps discussions. You might be on that journey, for example, now. We'll go further ahead. Now, what's your opinion now when you are going further ahead on that journey? You're collecting data, lots of it, as we know, the big data discussion globally.
Yeah.
Now that you've got some data, and can you take advantage of AI, or should you take advantage of AI? And if you do, where should you start?
Okay, so when you say that we're collecting data, you're absolutely right. But what I've seen is that people have got their chosen tool set to try and help increase the velocity of getting code from left to right. But it's disparate tool sets that are logging in different locations using different technologies. So you are collecting all of this data, but there is no structure about it, and there's no strategy around what they can potentially do with that, which always makes things that much more tricky. Because if you're actually wanting to implement some digital transformation project, it's traditional in the world of project that you have a before state such that you can measure it once you've implemented the new stuff. So how on earth do you do that? You've got all the metrics. So I just suggest having a data focus. I suppose everything that you do have a data focus, even if it's bumping all your data into like an S3 bucket or something like that. Just make sure that you're thinking about all of your tooling going into the same place, a log aggregator perhaps, or into some data lake or whatever the cool kids are calling them these days. I need to talk to this guy about that.
Well, it's interesting. Yeah, no, I think for me personally, standardise the data as early as possible. Right? We know we've got the different tools in the pipeline. It will produce different formats of data. The most important thing is try and standardise that as much as possible from the start and have a view on that. That's from my point of view, seeing the AI solutions coming onto the market around the world, to take advantage of that, you need to get your data interacting with those products well. That's very important.
I think also, if you do have the opportunity to have all of your DevOps data going into a single aggregator, and if you can get it into a single dashboard, even better. Talk to this guy.
Well, it's a bit harder.
It makes sense.
Yeah, it's harder. Look, I think I'm not saying it's easy to do the standardisation of data, but at least talk about it, think about it, plan for it. Make sure it's in your pipeline of how you're going to fix your data. Awesome. Well, thank you very much for those insights today.
Welcome.
Any questions, guys? Please send them through. We'll be happy to answer your questions.